Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix openal32.dll missing error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to go to system information on search, and then you need to look what system type is your machine. So for me 64 bits, and you need to look if your machine is 32 or 64 bit, and remember that, right? And then you just need to open a browser. Then you need to write Microsoft Visual C++, and then you need to open up first link and scroll down and download these two files here, 32-bit or 64, right? And once it's downloaded, you just need to install them to your computer. For me, it should be on downloads, and you just need to install them, right? If you haven't, just repair them, and after that, after you install them or repair them, you need to look if the problem persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, then you need to add openal32.dll to your computer. And to do so, you just need to go to and write openal32.dll, and probably the first link will be by DLL files, and then download 32 or 64-bit version, right? So my computer is 64, I'll download this, and then unzip it on your computer, right? Extract all. Let's make it to desktop, right? So this is the file, and what you need to do here is to open up this PC or your C drive. Then you need to look for Windows, and then here you need to look for two folders. So the first one is system32, and another one is syswow64. And what you need to do here is you need to put these two DLL files to these folders, right? So you just need to put the system32, and then you need to put the same file to syswow64, right? Press continue, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.